Hi friends, welcome back to another Frosty Eye Candy. If you notice the consistency of my paints that I'm putting down, they're slightly thicker than usual. I was having some troubles and thickening them up slightly solved all those issues. That first colour I've put down is TLP Mermaid. This one is now Liquitex Ultramarine Blue. This is the first time I'm trying the voiceover technique, guys, so please let me know what you think in the comments. Do you like it, or do you just prefer where I talk normally when I'm making the piece? This colour now is TLP Comet, one of my most favourites. It's an interference gold, red and magenta, and is absolutely fantastic in any pour. This one now, guys, is a new favourite. This is the Liquitex Fluorescent Opera Pink Gouache. It's absolutely fantastic, and if you notice, guys, I'm putting the colours down slightly heavier on the left hand side and then fading them through to the right because I'd like to drag them all the way through the swipe. This one is Liquitex Prism Violet, another favourite of mine and a great contrast to the Opera Pink. And as you notice again, I'm just putting it heavier on the left side and then just adding a little bit to the edges as I'd like to modify these colours through the actual swipe. Okay, now this is the last colour. This is TLP Ore. I mixed it up quite thick because I didn't want it to react badly with the cell activator, and if we're lucky, my hope is that we're going to drag it through all the colours and have a lovely gold ring around all the cells. So we're going in for the swipe, guys, and just look at those lovely cells that pop up as the cell activator sinks. So here we go for the modification, friends. You just want a lovely even flow to the movement of your hand, as if you're doing cursive handwriting or calligraphy, something like that. Basically just a nice smooth flow. Now we're going in for the other side. And always remember, friends, don't drag the modification too far into the middle, because we really ideally would like an unbroken line, clean line of cells through the middle of the swipe. Here we go for the first spin out. She's looking pretty good already. And here we go for the second spin. Wow. I'm really loving these gold ring cells here on the left that go all the way through the piece to the right. Just checking for how much more movement we have. Not very much, but one more spin and I think we'll be done. Well, excellent. There we go, friends. I'm going to pick it up and hopefully tilt it around so the light will catch all the different piggies. But thank you so much for joining me for another Frosty Eye Candy Quickie. Please like, subscribe and share if you like what you see here. And as always, my friends, happy pouring.